Hi guys, welcome back to Marie, and today I'm gonna show you how my first slime I ever made, and can't make to see that I made it correctly. So let's start with the video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for my video, please. And now let's get started with the video. So I'm on my table and I got my slime in here, which you already saw, and we're gonna open it. I only want one hand. So you know, like those sauces that came on these, I recycled them with the cat, and yeah. So I wanna grab it. My first slime ever. Are you gonna prove that? Like, it smells so awesome. You gonna prove that's real? It's really awesome. My sister. My baby sister.
Pipi, mana es la una.
Ajá.
Pipi, mana pa una.
Pero ustedes son muy pequeños. Aún utilizan pañales, ¿ven? Quizás si dejaran de usar pañales como
Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe for this video and give it a big thumbs up and click the bell button. Love you guys.